We're here at Pro-Karting. We've already gone over the race line for our first 2 sections of our course. So today, we'll head on over to trackside. We'll go over the proper race line for our 3rd and final section. So here we are at our 3rd and final section of our course. This section is very similar to our other 2, where you want to be out wide here, braking before the brake sign to slow yourself down as you go through this first gate, versus being on the inside, where racers tend to carry too much speed, they'll lock up the brakes and end up killing their lap time. So as you come through that first gate, you'll see the 2nd gate here on this right-hander. So you want to turn in to go through the 2nd gate. And as you make it through the 2nd gate here, you'll see the 3rd gate right in front of you. So you want to go through with the wheels straight. As you go through this one, you'll see our 4th gate here on this left-hand turn. So you want to start your turn in, make it through this 4th gate, and you'll see our last gate over here on the right. And then you'll go through this last gate here and line you up for our front straightaway right where we started. So now you guys know the proper race line for our entire course. Don't forget to come in and test your skills to lay down the fastest lap time on our track. And we'll see you guys out there.